GH for STEM Juniors Challenge. Here in the Upper West region of Ghana, we have junior scientist Patience MIINIE. Patience studies at Bo RC JHS. For her experiment, Patience will show us how to make carbon dioxide using lime, baking powder, and matches. Carbon dioxide is what we breathe out, and it can also be produced from the reaction of acids and carbonates. This science practical sounds like fun, so let's check it out.
The first thing I will do is I will put some quantity of baking powder into the test tube. Then I'll pour some amount of the lime into the test tube containing the baking powder.
Carbon dioxide is then produced here. Acids react with carbonates to produce salts, carbon dioxide, and water.
Most of the fire extinguishers contains carbon dioxide, which prevents the oxygen from further fueling the fire. It is also used to preserve food. My name is Bayo Magnus, the science teacher of Bo RCJHS.
Common kitchen items can produce interesting reactions when mixed together, some of which can be very dangerous, so it is always important to read the warnings and instructions. Carbon dioxide is used in the production of food by plants during the process of photosynthesis.
It's time for Juneos Practical STEM Quiz.
Preparation of alcoholic beverages and wines through fermentation produces carbon dioxide. So what will happen when you leave sliced pineapples in a polythene bag kept in a cupboard for 4 days? A. The polythene will bloat. B. Nothing will happen. C. The pineapple changes color. So now you can try this at home, either by yourself or with your friend from school. Make a video or take pictures of your experiment. Ask your teacher or your parents to help you post the results of your experiment on social media. Tag We Go Innovate so that you can win some fabulous prizes. Don't forget to add your name and the name of your school to your entry and hashtag GH4STEM. You can check out any of our experiments at www.wegoinnovate.org, and please leave a comment. You can also follow us on social media at We Go Innovate or WhatsApp us on 055 406 6248. Good luck with your experiment. You can be a junior scientist too.